Hello, today we are looking at the HG190 M9 replica gas blowback pistol, basic disassembly. So make sure the magazine is out, so press it in, take the mag out.
Then
you want to push in this button here, and while that's pushed in, pull this down and round, and you can just pull the slide off. If you leave that where it is, and we'll get onto the internals. So this is where the gas from the magazine is fed when the hammer hits it, the valve release, to push the pellet through the barrel and out and to cycle the weapon. So to disassemble it, you want to remove this piece, the spring, so pull it forwards, up, twist it to the side, and out it comes. There's then a black piece here, just pull that out. Then the whole barrel section slides forwards, up, and it'll just pull out. So you're left with the barrel, hop-up chamber, all that. So you want to pull this little bit here down. It goes down about that far, and there's a little, can you see it? This little pin here, which stops it from coming back up. You've got to pull this bit here, here and here to the side, and then slowly slide up this bit here. I'm going to pull it that far. You can pull it all the way out, but there is a tiny little spring in here, so when you pull it out, make sure you have your finger resting on the top and just pull it out, always applying pressure to the top bit that's slid out so that the spring doesn't fire off somewhere and never to be seen again. That is where the hop-up is. The spring is the hop-up, so that's where it's fixed. Once you've done that, push it back in, make sure the spring's in, and release this lever again, push it up. To reassemble, you get your outer barrel hop-up section, you slot it in through the front hole, allow it to drop, slide it back till it's locked in here. Take this bit, it's important that it goes this way around, slot it in, slide it forwards, all the way forwards. Then the spring and spring guide wants to rest through this hole. The spring just slots in. I've got the little catch bit here, that bit that you can see there on top, that will want to go at the bottom. So you push it about this far so that it can freely move in this gap bit here. Rotate it so it's at the bottom, and there is a little, you see it, there's a gap here which it slots into and catches. Once the internals of the slide are all reassembled, you can attach it to the lower receiver again. So the lever's been left like that. If not, then you want it back into that position. The back of the slide, you can see these two cut out bits, and they slot into there and there, or rather these two slot into those. So start with your slide right at the front, and then just slide it back. As it's on the rails, just follows it back all the way. If you push it back to where it locks back, and then just release that, then the slide is back in place and you're ready to go. So that's the basics of the disassembly of the slide. That's the main area you're ever going to need to get to. Thanks for watching.